So the reason we stand here today is that we have been judging you guys. Myself and Kelly work alongside L'Oreal, Bumble & Bumble and Shu Uemura, predicting trends and visions for years ahead. Today, we've been doing exactly that, judging you guys for the Style Award. If you didn't know, we were the ones that were looking you up and down. Don't take that personal. I stress this every single year. This is the Style Award. It is not the Best Dressed Award. The Oxford English Dictionary quotes, "Style is a distinctive presence or appearance." And that is exactly what our winner had today, a distinctive presence.
So, and the winner today is Dawn Vincent.